Got this Dodge Ram. All keys are lost. There we go. Alright, we got a mechanical key cut. It works. Alrighty. Let me get the transponder. Alright, plug the battery. Alright, just wanted to make sure if that light's there. And it's flashing. Cool. Alright, I got some keys cut. Cool. Alright, got it. It was battery terminal went loose. Okay. Oh, fuck. Said he got the wrong size battery. So I'm just gonna return it. I'm just gonna use it for now to plug this in and get it programmed. Success.